Assalamualaikum. Hello, good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Nurul again. Happy Chinese New Year to those who are celebrating, and welcome back from your holiday. And today we are going to continue with lesson number 4, starter unit, page 7 in your textbook. Alright, so today we are going to learn how to ask questions about where people and things are. And we are going to look into how to use the apostrophe symbol to show possessions. There are two forms which I'm going to show and explain to you later. And also we are going to look into verb to be to ask yes or no questions. Alright, so let's start with the apostrophe symbol. So the apostrophe symbol kinda looks like the comma symbol. I think all of you already know what comma looks like. Okay, so that's what apostrophe looks like the one that I show you here. Only the position is different. Okay, so for singular nouns, to show possession of singular nouns, we use apostrophe S. Apostrophe comes first and then S. Okay, let's look at the example. Susan's book. So Susan is singular. Susan is only one. So we use apostrophe S. Susan's book. Alright. Now for plural nouns, plural means more than one. Plural nouns that ends with S, we will use S apostrophe. S apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe will appear at the end. Okay, so the students' school bus. Students, plural for students, students, got S at the end of the word. Students' school bus. So we just add apostrophe at the end of the word. Alright, the students' school bus. But there are some exceptionals in using the apostrophe S. For examples, Women's Day. Women's Day. Women is actually the plural form of woman. Alright, so even when it's more than one, but it does not end with S, so we use apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. Okay, only those plural form that ended with the letter S that we use apostrophe at the end. Another exception is when we mention two names. For example, Julie and Jack's cat. Julie and Jack's cat. We use apostrophe S because, Julie and Jack, it's plural, but it did not end with the letter S. Okay, so we only put apostrophe S at the end of the second name. Alright, now we are going to look into yes or no verb to be questions using these three verb to be am, is, and are. Okay, so the questions and answer will look like this. For example, are you tired? Are is a verb to be, and the answer would be yes, I am, or no, I am not. Okay, we are going to look into more examples. For the first verb to be am I in the correct class? Am I? So remember, am will always be used together with the pronoun I. So the answer would be yes, you are, or no, you are not. Okay, so the second verb to be is. Remember, the letter S stands for satu, so we use is for singular pronoun. Is he at home? Yes, he is. Is she at school? She, only one girl. Yes, she is. Okay, is the cat's owner in his room? The cat's owner, there's only one cat owner. No, he isn't. Okay, no, he isn't. Is Mike's book under the table? No, it isn't. Mike book, only one book, right? Okay, so the next one, next verb to be is are. The letter R stands for ramai, so we use are for plural pronoun. Are they in Kota Kinabalu? Yes, they are. Okay, yes, they are. Are Mike's friends at school friends more than one friend? No, they aren't. Or no, they are not. Alright. Are we in a mall? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. Are the cats in the room? Cats, more than one cat. No, they aren't. Are you at your house? We always use you with us. So are you at your house? Yes, I am. Okay, now let's try to answer the following questions here. Alright. First one, are the cats in the house? You try to answer, okay? I'm gonna put the question after this, but try to answer first. No, they aren't. No, they are not. Okay, the second question, is the teacher in the classroom? Try to answer. Yes, she is. Okay, now the third question, last one, is the book on the floor? Yes, it is. Alright, did you get to answer all the questions? Well, if you can, good job. But if you still cannot, no worries. You can go back to the part where you don't really understand, and you can try to answer the questions again. Alright? Okay, now it's time for your task of the day. Now refer to your textbook, page 7. Complete the questions and write your own answer to the questions. You can do this in your exercise book, alright? So there are 5 questions altogether. You write the questions and then you come out with your own answer. Alright? Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you everyone. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Take care, stay safe. Goodbye.